Hello everyone. I am seeing a lot many students preparing for CA exam just because they are asked by their parents to do. If you are doing it with half of your heart and you have already given few attempts and हर बार बिना मन से आप पढ़ के दे रहे हो, something which is not under the value which you hold, your desire. Trust me, आप कभी भी ना उस सब्जेक्ट में उस पर्टिकुलर एग्ज़ाम के लिए अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाओगे. If you don't have interest, you should find an alternative because time is important and the things which you do half-hearted just because somebody is asking you to do, it will never give you result, and even if it gives you result, there will be delays in it. So instead of regretting for this later, you should first ask yourself before appearing for next attempt, do you really want to give this exam? आप कोई भी level पे हो of CA exam. First question. If the answer is no, ask yourself, what are the career choices I have available with myself? You have to list down at least 3 to 5 best career choices जिसे आप लेके अपने पेरेंट्स के पास जा सकते हो. ये सारे career choices पे क्या क्या potentials है. And next to each career choice, you have to write down what are the opportunities you have in future once you clear the exam, how much is the investment amount, and how much is time required to clear that exam. Now you have to go with your parents, give them a brief about your career choices. Help them understand why CA is not meant for you because you are not interested in doing it. I met a guy yesterday and I somehow felt talking to him. He is not at all interested in this course. He is just doing it for their parents. It's good. आप अगर अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए करना चाहते हो आप करो, बट फिर उसके लिए आपको इंटरेस्ट लाना पड़ेगा, आपको मन से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ उनको खुश करने के लिए एंड यू प्लेइंग योर रोल एज अ सन और अ डॉटर तब आप कर रहे हो ना, मत करो. ट्रस्ट मी, बिकॉज कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप मन से करोगे ना, ज़्यादा खुश होके करोगे, जल्दी रिजल्ट मिलेगा. एंड नाउ व्हेन यू आर फोर्सफुली डूइंग इट एवरी डे एंड यू डोंट वांट टू डू जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव टोल्ड योर पेरेंट्स एंड यू वांट टू सी देम हैप्पी, आप अपने लाइफ का टाइम मिस कर रहे हो. ये 20s का जो एज रहता है ना ग्रुप, ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है लाइफ में चीज़ों को सीखने के लिए, अपने को ग्रो कराने के लिए, टू लेवल अप योर स्किल्स, एंड देयर इज़ लॉट टू डू डियर. सो फॉर अपकमिंग अटेम्प्ट, इफ़ एक्चुअली यू वांट टू डू, इस बार मन से पढ़ना, फोर्सफुली मत पढ़ना. नॉलेज का कमी नहीं है, पोटेंशियल का कमी नहीं है. Only thing you are lacking right now is the interest level and something which you do not value. You will never be able to take the desired action. You will continuously procrastinate, feel lazy, and you will keep deferring the days. Okay? So do it with an open heart, do with an emotional connection attached. Why you want to become a CA? Take wise decisions. Life is full of opportunities. Something which is meant for you will definitely find its way. But खुद को open रखो. Ask guidance from universe. What is the best decision as per divine for you to grow in life, for you to be successful in life. Okay? Closing with my 4 magical lines. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you and I love you.